Hey guys, now I'm showing you guys more of my stuffed animals. This is Daddy Dog, Baby Kitty, and Mommy Kitty. Pretty cool stuff I'm going to show you guys for today. Sorry I couldn't make more videos. I was busy with school, that's why I couldn't make more. I'm able to make more today. Guys. So how you guys doing today? I'm looking forward to making more videos. I might make videos myself and sometimes I might sound different because I do use different voices. Like, hello. It's like this. Hi. Yeah, it kind of sound different, but okay. So yeah. Savage. No, yeah, savage. So pretty savage. No, savage. So pretty.